Happy Friday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. With the market continuing to be as volatile as it is, the bears are kind of waging this war right now with the bulls. We're not entirely certain as to who's going to emerge as the winner in the short term. However, there are opportunities in every moment of volatility, and in all the chaos here, we've highlighted some choices, altcoins that we feel have suffered tremendously with this latest market hit, and as such, which are undervalued right now. So these are 5 altcoins that we think perhaps deserve your attention here given the recent market dip. And not financial advice, it's never financial advice, but we're basing this video on the article here by Martin Young on altcoinbuzz.io. Be sure to check it out. 5 profitable coins in this market crash. We're focusing on layer 2 solutions, DeFi, that's decentralized finance, and NFT-based altcoins, so those catering to non-fungible tokens. Once again, guys, I'll say it for the second or third time, whatever it is, none of this is ever financial advice, but we are enthusiastic about these projects. Without any further ado, let's launch into our selections. Our first choice is Polkadot, ticker DOT, with a current price of $28. That's down a few percentage points at the time of this recording. We're looking at the 24-hour chart here. Let's snap back and take a look at the year. You can see just how much progress has been made and how much has been recently lost. Here's why we like DOT. Even with the massive slump that we're seeing, DOT is still trading over 500% higher than it was in the latter half of 2020. And the Polkadot ecosystem is growing at a rapid pace. The demand for high-speed, low-cost blockchain transactions is now higher than ever, as we all know. And the final parachain launch is imminent. This will likely drive momentum for DOT, making it potentially one of the first to recover ultimately from the current downtrend we're still experiencing. Next up, and at number 2, by the way, in no particular order, but at number 2, we have Uniswap, ticker Uni, down at nearly 10%, trading between $25 and $26 right now. We're taking a look here at the 24-hour chart. Similarly, let's zoom out and take a look at the last year. Uniswap has got some very encouraging news. The space of DeFi on the whole is growing. That's something that works in its favor. But here are the specific reasons why we like Uni at this time. Uniswap's governance token, again, Uni, UNI, has taken a hit, but it could all change rather quickly when the DEX, the decentralized exchange, enables layer 2 scaling on its version 3 platform. We covered this yesterday in the news, the fact that V3 is growing in line with some of the predictions, and if it matches the exponential growth that we saw between V1 and V2, well, then we're really going to be in for something. It's a variable that is uncertain, but this could all happen really anytime in the next couple of months. And the prospect of further liquidity farming incentives could be a major catalyst for Uni prices going forward. Again, not financial advice, but as far as we're concerned, we are not betting against DeFi, which means we're not betting against Uni. We think it has a very big and a very bright future indeed. Enjin coin is next on our list, ticker ENJ, down about 5 or 6% today at the time of this recording, trading at $1.45. You can see the 24-hour volatility, but look, when in doubt, zoom out, and I guess that's the theme of this video. Zooming out to the 1 year, you can see just how high ENJ has climbed. And at least in our opinion, it seems like the response has been a little too exaggerated, a little bit too emotional. This last drop doesn't make a whole lot of sense, at least that's how we see it. So there is no doubt that NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and gaming really have been the driving catalyst for the crypto industry in 2021. Enjin coin is at the forefront of this space. Enjin has been around for a long time and has been making solid progress with partnerships and platform development. If you guys watch our channel, Altcoin Buzz, and our new channel, Altcoin Buzz News, you are no doubt across many of these partnerships and updates that we cover on a regular basis. So in our opinion, it stands to reason that ENJ really could be one to watch in this rebound, which we feel is inevitable. Enjin is going to revolutionize the NFT space, and as with all the other projects on this list, we feel ENJ is really only just getting started. At number 4 on our list, we're looking at Polygon, ticker MATIC, M-A-T-I-C. And it's funny because MATIC for quite a while had been resilient to this latest slump, even hitting new all-time highs at about $2.62, now trading at $1.71, down actually about 21% in these last 24 hours, which is kind of a bit of an aberration. It's kind of been the outlier here because it was doing well in this space and achieving those new all-time highs, and then very suddenly it just kind of slumped all that much more following the all-time high peak. So MATIC right now down in double digits, about 20% over the course of this last day. Unfortunately, as with these other projects, we're looking at the 24-hour chart right here. MATIC is just an unbelievable success story. Zooming out, you can just see how pronounced the peak and the price appreciation have been. There's no underestimating the demand for layer 2 Ethereum scaling. That's why Polygon has had the success that it's had. MATIC has gained massive traction recently, and for good reason. The platform is a layer 2 aggregator which supports different types of layer 2 technologies, and in recent months, several platforms, including Uniswap, Infura, MStable, Curve Finance, Aave, Decentraland, and Atari have launched on Polygon or have partnered with it. And the MATIC token, in our opinion, is one to watch. And here we have on this list another outlier in the sense that it's bucking the trend. We have Crypto.com's token, CRO, which is actually up 6% on the day. Still took a pretty big hit recently, now at 14.27 cents. But like I said, it's the only one on this list that is up in a down market, up 6% on the day. Of course, we have a partnership with Crypto.com. We have an affiliation, but our bias aside, if you want to call it that, we at Altcoin Buzz are all users of the Crypto.com app, the Crypto.com exchange, the supercharger events, all that kind of stuff. We're all users of the Visa cards and the associated perks. By the way, you can find information about those Visa cards if you'd like to sign up using information in the description and the comments below. So check that out. But here's why we really do like CRO. It's the last one on our list of profitable altcoins to potentially pick up during the dip. This is the 24-hour chart. Let's first zoom out to the 1 year and get a broader perspective here. Crypto.com has evolved from a wallet into a multifaceted platform serving the entire industry. And following its March mainnet launch, the platform has gone all in on DeFi and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, with a number of major partnerships, including the New York Stock Exchange and Chainalysis. With the DeFi and NFT momentum set to continue, the platform's CRO token could be propelled to new peaks when the markets recover. And really, in the span of just a few months, the Crypto.com ecosystem, again, that's the app, that's the exchange, it's gone from 5 million users to 10 million users, doubling very quickly. And no doubt very soon we're going to hear an announcement about 15 million users. It's a space that's growing extremely quickly, and we feel they have much more room to grow as a leader in this space. So there you have it, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Not financial advice in any way, shape, or form, but those are our top 5 altcoins that you may want to consider picking up, perhaps adding to your portfolio during this dip, because when the momentum shifts back in the favor of altcoins, it's going to shift pretty dramatically in our opinion. There's no telling exactly when that will be, but smart money buys red, right? Smart money buys on the dip, and these are our favorite projects. They're at a discount now, so why not? I can tell you that we are buying on our side of things at Altcoin Buzz. What you choose to do with your own investments is your business. This is not financial advice, but I do wish you luck if you do choose to invest. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Have a great Friday, TJF. As always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.